Hi, I'm Nazanin Kassidy. I'm a third-year journalism student at Anglo-American University, and I'm from Indianapolis, Indiana originally, but my family lives in California. Well, I wanted to go to an international university, and AAU kind of checked all my boxes, and so far I've had a really good experience here in Prague and at AAU. I'm glad that I chose it. I think it's worked out. As a part of my documentary photography class last year with Bjorn Steins, I was able to produce an exhibition with my classmates where we all produced a series of work. It was a great experience. I got to show my work to a lot of people. We had hands-on experience taking photographs, getting them printed out. So it was overall a really great experience. So being able to just take a photography class, like hands-on, learn how to use a camera, and then exhibit my photography is pretty incredible. Well, it was up to us what we were able to choose to focus on. I chose a photo project about my grandmother, and she's very important to me. She came to Prague to visit for the first time, so I kind of wanted to capture what it was like through her eyes, seeing Prague for the first time, and I was able to create some really cool images so that I was proud of and happy to exhibit. Every week we would get different assignments to go and work on specific photo techniques. And we worked throughout the semester. We had to pool all our photos together, create a really wide edit, and then Bjorn and all of our peers, we did a lot of peer review in that class where a lot of students were involved in narrowing down. I think that's probably one of the best things I have experienced at AAU is the peer communication and the general push from our professors to get us to work together. In traditional US schools, you know, you're in these huge classrooms and you're not able to actually work with the people around you. You're doing a lot of individual busy work. So to be able to take classes like this, it's really important. For prospective students, the journalism school is a great place to learn if you're looking for a really unique, individualized bachelor's in journalism. AAU has allowed me to mold my university experience around what I want for my future. And that's been probably overall the most important thing for me. I've been able to learn in a way that I've been in charge of at AAU, and that's very special.